Well, hello random YouTube people. We are new to this Kia Telluride and there's an issue that I found that I wanted to get fixed. Let me show you. So we are new to this Kia Telluride and I am wondering, why is it that when I open the door that the cabin lights don't turn on? See, only these little side lights on the doors illuminate, but the actual cabin lights do not turn on. So if you're having the same problem, try this. There's a dome override switch right here. See that the door is open and the light? That's the button you need to press. There it is. So that should illuminate all of your dome lights, or not your dome lights, your interior cabin lights when the door opens. So there's this nice little override switch. So you can turn it off if you don't want that to happen. Save some battery, etc. That's how you get the lights to turn on when you open the door. So let's try that one more time and wait for the lights to turn off. All right, we can see that the interior lights have now turned off. Let's go test that one more time by opening the door. And there they go. The lights are all on now. So yeah, just a simple little button you might have accidentally pressed when trying to figure things out. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. If you find my content relatable or informative, please give this video some kind of interaction, such as smashing that like button, commenting, and sharing this video with all of your friends. This helps the YouTube algorithms know how to share my content with other random people just like you. And to be sure you don't miss out on future bodacious content, subscribe. Subscribe.